Our AP question is, when a tractor pulls a plow through an agricultural field, the energy needed to pull that plow is called the draft. The draft is affected by environmental conditions such as soil type, terrain, and moisture. A study was conducted to determine whether a newly developed hitch would be able to reduce draft compared to the standard hitch. A hitch is used to connect the plow to the tractor. 2 large plots of land were used in this study. It was randomly determined which plot was to be plowed using the standard hitch. As the tractor plowed that plot, a measurement device on the tractor automatically recorded the draft at 25 randomly selected points on the plot. After the plot was plowed, the hitch was changed from the standard one to the new one, a process that takes a substantial amount of time. Then the second plot was plowed using the new hitch. 25 measurements of the draft were also recorded at randomly selected points in this plot. A asks, what was the response variable in this study? Identify the treatments, and what were the experimental units? The response variable was the amount of draft. The treatments were the new hitch and the standard hitch. And the experimental units were the 2 plots of land. B says, given that the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces draft compared to the standard hitch, was randomization used properly in this study? Justify your answer. I said yes because the 2 hitches were randomly assigned to both of the plots. So they had an equal chance of doing either plot. C says, given that the goal of the study is to determine whether a newly developed hitch reduces draft compared to the standard hitch, was replication used properly in this study? Justify your answer. I said no because each hitch only plowed 1 plot, and to replicate, the hitches would have to plow both plots. Plot of land is a confounding variable in this experiment. Explain why. I said that they're confounding, or it is confounding, because the plots could be different and have different types of soil or weather type things. And since replication wasn't used, we don't know if the hitch reduced the draft or the type of plot had something to do with it.